do you mean, yeah?
Yeah. What?
Oh, look at that. Look. Shit.
That's so high.
Isn't it?
Going up there. My God.
That's the way to climb a mountain. That's the way to do it. Hey?
Wow.
I wanna climb a mountain.
Ah, there's a trail going there. Oh,
What?
there's a trail.
Yeah, fuck that.
My God. I cannot do that.
No, that's for maintenance, isn't it?
Maybe. Look at that.
Make your legs ache.
It's too high.
Beautiful colours, aren't they?
Yeah.
You got a window open, you can smell it.
Oh.
Push it up.
Wow. Yeah, smell of forest. Wow, look at that. The pine tree has its fruits.
I noticed they had a different breakfast to us.
Because they are something.
Don't put your phone out, Donnie. Give me the heebie-jeebies. Please don't do that. It's going to vibrate in a second.
Do not worry too much.
Well, I do. I don't like it. Look at that. Look at that valley. See, that's better than going to that jiggy valley. See it from here. Look at that. Look.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look. Look. Whoa.
The color of the mountain. Look at that. Different kinds of color.
Yeah. It's not all brown like at home, is it?
Yeah. Because here is a whole. There's always rain.
Yeah. I don't know. It's always raining. I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit like, I don't know, it's further north than Singapore, of course. But mind you, this is spring.
Pauwi na. Going back now.
Yeah.
Going back to the main entrance. Ooh.
Strange woman. Are those shoes okay?
Yes.
Good. Kevin?
How many mountains I travel now with this? We went to the trail of the Xuansang Temple.
Was it Wang King?
Wangsang. Kwansang Temple. Kwansang Temple.
Was it Fu King?
Don't be
Fu
so
King
annoying.
Temple on Wang King Road. Oh dear. God, big old, look at that cable wiggling. Look. This. Look down. Whoa. The fatigue on those cables, I wonder how long they last.
That's very, very durable.
Yeah, but they've got a life, haven't they? See, that's what would worry me about in the Philippines. They'd have a cable and say got a life for 5 years. 15 years later, they'd still be running it. You know? Because they wouldn't change it. Ah, that's okay, that's safety, that's okay, that's alright. Until pang. It breaks.
Did not happen yet. Maybe later on.
Right, that's why I wouldn't trust the cookings.
Cable in the Philippines came from China.
No, it's not. It's not who makes it. It's who maintains it.
Where is my sunglass?
I designed a vernacular railway.
Hmm?
I designed a vernacular railway.
Where?
I was going to have it up near Buswanga, old Buswanga, on the property up there to get up and down to the land. Get building materials up and down. I was going to use a car winch. You know, a winch you have off a car with a long cable. 12-volt battery.
That's the sun. I think that's the sun there. Oh, it's not yet sunset. You cannot see the sun.
No,
Do you think it will be?
sun's up
Wait,
there.
there will be a day that there's no clouds, or all
I
day?
don't know what time of year it is. Maybe in the summer. Don't know.
This
June,
is
July.
summer.
Well, all during the rainy season, they get the typhoons through here, don't they? The weather's seriously bad. I mean, you get
Birds. You
you
can hear
get seriously bad.
birds. Can hear that. Can hear that.
No, I can't.
Wow.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, so many. Loads of it.
Oh, I've heard something again.
Loads of it. There's so many.
Yeah, I can hear them now.
There, oh.
Yeah.
They are, and also there.
You got to walk back over there to the boat. Do you want to go into that town area first or not?
Later. Just heard it.
Eh?
Just heard the noise.
Yeah, they're noisy now, aren't they?
But it
Sounds
sounds
like parrots.
it sounds nice.
They sound like parrots. You know, cockatoo.
Cockatoo. Oh, there's cockatoo here.
There's a bird just got up on top of that cable there, look.
Yeah, that's not cockatoo. That's the bird I saw in
Yeah.
Palawan.
How do you know it's the same one?
It looks the same.
Do you fly from there to here?
It looks the same.
Looks the same. It might not be the same bird though.
Maybe.
Might be his brother.
His family.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, it looks as though you're going to hit it, doesn't it? Looks as though you're going to hit it. Bang! Whoops! No. Oh, fancy, look, they got steps on those things for working on them. Oh dear, I wouldn't like that at all. They climb up those poles. They've got steps going up those poles. Oh my God, look at that. Oh no. Do you see that? They've got steps going up the poles and then walkways up there. They can walk around up there
Oh
on the poles.
yeah. Look on that. It looks like this landslide there.
Something. Yeah. Unless that's a path.
Or maybe.
It does look like a landslide, doesn't it?
Wow, look
Slip.
at that.
These trees will hold it together a lot, I would have thought.
Wow.
I'm all wet and sticky in my knickers.
Wow. I think you get wet more than I. I did not get wet.
Well, I got wet. My trousers are thicker, see, they hold the water longer. Look, see, they get up there. And they walk around up there. And that bloody thing. Look.
Why you always see bloody thing?
Look.
It's not a bloody thing.
Horrible. Oh my god. Oh dear.
That's it.
Don't forget your handbag.
That's it. That's it.
Get out this side, darling.
That's it.
This side. Get out that side.
No,
There.
can get up this side.